Welcome back. Continuing the news. After much back and forth, 17 deportees landed in the island today from the United Kingdom. Now, they were in no mood to talk to the media. Those who had no family members to receive them were taken to a home in the corporate area. TVJ's Kirk Wright was there to witness the deportees leaving the police processing facility.
A bus from the Police Specialized Operation Division of the Police Force, formerly Harmon Barracks, went to pick up the deportees who touched down in Jamaica sometime after midday. The bus was accompanied by an entourage which included persons from the British High Commission. There, the usual crowd which normally descend on the now Specialized Operation Division when the deportees arrive was not present. This time around, only a handful of family members turned up. Inside, the deportees were processed and were released one after the other to a few family members who turned up. The deportees, most of whom tried to hide their identity, walked from the processing section to the front of the facility to meet relatives waiting outside. Most of the relatives protested the presence of the media, but one family member who says her relative committed a crime and served 2 years objected to Britain sending them to Jamaica.
I don't think it is justified, for if there is a crime and you have paid your price and rehabilitate yourself, then I think it is just for you to give a chance to prove yourself and also to take care of your children.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.